Greetings, my lovely people, the whole TBC community in the world. My greeting to you all. Once again, my name is Rich Senyu or Senyu Teria. I'm talking from Ghana, Volta region. And formerly, Volta region was called Western Togoland. Yeah, so it is under Ghana. So I'm speaking from there right now. Why do we do all these broadcasts? I bring a good news once again. This news I'm bringing in now is about TBC. Why are we always talking about TBC, going to YouTube's, going to medias, talking about TBC, or talking about cryptocurrency? My brother, my sister, my friend, the whole world is changing and the world is moving forward. So if you are there and nobody's tell you about what is happening or what is going on in the world, you may not know. That is why we are doing all these things. As you know, we talk about TBC or the Billion Coin. It's a cryptocurrency, e-cash, community cryptocurrency. Why all this cryptocurrency? The world is now changing. From the beginning, our forefathers, they use the changing items. Maybe if you have cassava and somebody also is having plantain, and the person who is having plantain need cassava, you just give some of your cassava to the person who need plantain, and you also take plantain from the person. That is how they use in our forefathers' time, when they don't have any currency, when they don't have money. And as time changing, the money has come in. Now, money has come in. We have a MoneyGram, money order some years ago, but now money order is not there again. As I'm talking, maybe if you can get it in Ghana. I don't see it. I don't get any money order again. As I'm telling you now, as I'm talking to you now, cryptocurrency is taking the whole world. Small time, you will not see any fiat money. Because of what? Cryptocurrency is faster. In cryptocurrency, you are the manager, you are the cashier, you are the accountant in the cryptocurrency if you have cryptocurrency. But if you keep your money at bank, in the bank, the manager will control your money, accountant, before cashier will give it to you. You have to go and wait your money. But in the cryptocurrency way, in the crypto world, you will not wait. Anytime you want to use your money, you just use it. But which cryptocurrency is the best way, is the correct one to join? It's the Billion Coin. Because this Billion Coin have a potential, it has a future, it has a mission. I can tell you now. From the beginning, this Billion Coin wasn't like this. It has started from lower price, as they used to tell us that it will be increasing, and now it has increased a lot. Let's assume those who bought this Billion Coin from the beginning, they are enjoying it now because they put in a little money, and now they have a lot of money. So I'm telling you to join cryptocurrency now, and cryptocurrency, join TBC community, because TBC is the easy way, only way, the best way. There is a many cryptocurrency. let me tell you, let me remind you, Bitcoin last year it was 17,000, but this year I think it's between 4,000, 5,000 now. And TBC doesn't fall anytime; it always rise up. So I'm doing this. If anybody doesn't tell you about this cryptocurrency, you will not know. You may not know. You just sitting there. One day you say, "Oh, I didn't hear anything about it." But we are telling you now, or I'm telling you now. That is why we are always shouting, join TBC, join cryptocurrency. Let all let us all come together and come to one community member so that we can enjoy this TBC. Yeah, if you join TBC, you can also, if you want to buy something, you can tell somebody that I have TBC, the Billion Coin. If the person will ask you, what is TBC? What is the Billion Coin? You tell the person that it's a cryptocurrency, which is going to take a whole world. So let me use it to buy something from you. And the person will tell you, how do I join? And you will tell the person how to join. You who are listening to me now, go to the Billion Coin, go to the Kringle back office, Kringle Cash, Kringle.cash. Go there. They will ask you, if you go there, let me tell you, TBC use internet. To use internet. So you who is having internet there, sign in, log into your internet. You just go into Kringle.cash, and when you go there, it will open for you. If it opens, you see they will ask about your information. It is about how you go into bank. They will ask your details before you open your account. This is how this also is. They will ask you your information. You enter your information. After entering your information, go to your email, verify it, and go back to the tbc009.net. Register your wallet there and pay your wallet fee. By so doing, try to buy some, try to invest, try to use at least, if you don't have money, at least try to enter or try to buy at least $10,000. That $10,000, by 1 year time, you will see what you have done. You will not regret it. So now, go in, sign up, buy some, pay your wallet fee. Tell your friend, tell your brother, tell your colleagues what you have also heard. Don't just sitting down there. Let me tell you, TBC, people are taking it as a mode of payment now. And I also, if I work for some people, I used to take TBC instead of paying me. I take TBC because I know what TBC is now, and I know where TBC is going. And if you study the world, you can see that the world is totally changing. Because these media issues, if you see that formerly you not see media, internet like this. But now the internet and the media, they are taking the whole world. So if you don't know anything about, if you are not familiar to internet now, then you are losing your opportunities. So also try to learn something about internet, how to go into internet, how to deal with internet, how to deal with medias. Only that way can help you at this time, at this modern world which we are now. So once again, TBC is the only way. TBC is the refuge for mankind, because those who have TBC now, I can call them billionaires, because they are rich. If you go to their wallet, you see the amount of the money that they have in their wallet. And if it is time for us to be using it, everywhere from now. If it's time, everybody is accepting TBC. You must know that the person who is having that money in the wallet, or the person, everybody will be going to him to beg him for helping, because it will be a time the whole world will use to this billion coin. I can assure you, because I know where the billion coin is going. Those people who plan this billion coin, you can see that they plan it very well. They sit down and think very well before coming in with this cryptocurrency, and they are rich. Those billionaires who bring in this idea, they are very rich. The billion coin is a private body, and this billion coin has a value as this thing, gold. Its value is gold, because gold is always valid. So, my brother, my sister, everybody, I want you to join TBC all the way. Thank you.